One of the best upgrades I've done on my zero-turn mower is this seat spring set here. This seat was originally just bolted right to the top of the zero-turn, and every time you hit a bump, it goes through your whole body. But adding this simple little device, it's not an air seat, it's spring-loaded. It's got a ton of tension in there, and it gives you that same effect. So you've got a shock absorber going across. Take a look at this close up. You've got an adjustment here for soft or firm, so you just adjust that and you'll be changing the tension on the springs under there. And it bolted right into my original location, gave me all the mounting hardware. Look at it from this angle. You can see here's the back of this spring assembly, and here's the whole assembly here, along with this plate down at the bottom that was all added in. And all kinds of different adjustments, so it'll fit all kinds of different zero turns, holes all over where you can bolt to. This is the original mounting plate on my mower. And here, looking through the back, you can see the springs down in there. That's what's giving you that support. It's got two of these springs running right down the center here, and they just counterbalance as you're going up and down. They do that counterbalancing. You can see them right in here. So yeah, overall, really pleased with the way this came out. It was like a huge upgrade from my mower. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.